Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another makeup tutorial for you guys. Today's makeup tutorial is going to be on this glittery pumpkin spice inspired look. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm going to get started with this look. I've already done one eye off camera. So I'm going to be using the Twinkle in her eyeshadows palette. It has 35 eyeshadows in this palette, and this is from Root Cosmetics. They sent me this palette about a month or so ago, and I have used it once before for a candy corn inspired eyeshadow look that I put on Instagram, and I'll insert that picture. So the theme of this palette is like a romance novel, and it has its table of contents like a book would, and then you have your 35 shadows. So on this side, you mainly have all colors, and then you have neutrals in this palette. A good thing about this palette is that it does have a nice matte black in it. I have already worked with this palette twice now. Eyeshadows do have quite a bit of fallout, so keep that in mind. So I'm gonna be using the P. Louise base in Rumor 04, and I'm just gonna prime my lids with that base. The first shade I'm going to take is this shade right here, which is like a reddish brown. And I am going to use I think I'm going to use this blending brush from Wet n Wild. I actually really like these brushes here. And I'm going to pack it in my crease. I'm just going to pack that color in my crease and then start to blend out the edges. This palette, actually the shadows I've used so far are pretty pigmented. Alright, so using that same brush, I'm just going to start blending out the edge. And I'm just lightly blending the shadow towards the inner corner. I try not to put too much shadow towards the inner part of my eye. Right above that shade I just put down, I'm gonna go into this like medium orange shade, and I'm gonna blend out that edge. And I'm not gonna put like too much orange on there. I'm just something to blend that out, the edge out a little bit more. And add a little bit more warmth. And I'm not going to take this look all the way up to my brow. I'm going to switch to my Morphe M506 brush, which is a small dome detail kind of brush. And I'm going to go into the matte black and start to build up my outer V area. And this black does have a lot of fallout, so keep that in mind. I'm gonna try to just concentrate it on the outer V and below the very first shade. I'm gonna go back into that first shade that we used, that reddish brown, and I'm gonna take that Wet n Wild blending brush and blend out the edge of that black right above it. These colors are blending really, really well, and I'm liking what's happening so far. I think I'm gonna add just a touch more of that light orange shade. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and cut the crease. And I'm going to be using that same eyeshadow base from P. Louise in room 04. And I'm going to cut the crease using the Morphe M124 brush, which looks like this. I'm gonna go into this like rusty orange down here, and this is a shimmer, it's not a matte. And I'm just gonna use that same Morphe M124 brush, and I cleaned it off, and I'm gonna put that on top of the base. And this particular shade right here is very, of course, very pigmented. This shade is very pigmented and it feels creamy. I'm gonna put a little bit more black beside that shadow and start to sweep it towards that orange shade I just put down. And I'm gonna go back with that brush that still has some of that shimmery orange shade and drag it in the black just so it's blended. Take my Wet n Wild blending brush and go in with that reddish brown shade, that we started with, and just blend that edge just a little bit. Alright, I'm going to use my Lancome kohl pencil in black ebony, and line my lower waterline. Alright, so I'm going to put, you can just do a look like this, you know, put liner on and lashes and you're good. But I wanted to try some glitter that I bought this summer. This glitter I'm going to be using is chunky glitter from Mermaid Scales, and I have it in rust. I have it in golden rust. And they come in these cute little like valves with cork tops. And I just poured it in here. And I'm going to start off by using my Morphe G20 brush. And I'm going to put some of my NYX glitter glue on the back of my hand, and I'm going to apply that to my lid first. I'm not going to really put that much of the glitter glue like towards the bottom of my lid, just because I'm going to be wearing eyeliner, and eyeliner and chunky glitter or glitter in general don't mix. I have noticed that, so I'm just going to concentrate it towards the top and middle, and then ease up when I get towards the bottom of my lash or the bottom of my lid. I'm using my Inglot gel liner in 77, and yeah. Alright guys, so here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Please make sure you guys are subscribed and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. I want to thank Rude Cosmetics for sending me this palette, and I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.